In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your video's aspect ratio and fine-tune the scale for a perfect fit. If your footage doesn't quite match the platform you're posting to, this quick process will help you reframe it cleanly and avoid those unwanted black bars or awkward cropping. Think of aspect ratio as the shape of your video, the relationship between width and height. Common shapes include 16.9 for standard widescreen, 9:16 for vertical stories and reels, and 1.1 for square posts. Choosing the right one ensures your content looks intentional and professional wherever it appears. Start by heading to your video player area in the editor. Beneath the preview, look for the ratio button. This control is designed to switch the canvas shape instantly, so you can see how your footage will appear on different platforms without digging through complex settings. Click the ratio button, and you'll see a list of preset aspect ratios. Select the one that matches your destination. As soon as you choose it, the preview updates to the new shape, which makes it easy to spot any parts of the frame that might be cut off or letterboxed. After changing the aspect ratio, you may notice that the subject feels too small in the new frame or that important details sit a little too close to the edges. That's where scaling comes in. Open the video panel and go to the basic section. Here, you'll find the scale control. Drag the slider or enter a value to gently zoom the image in or out until it fits the new canvas the way you want. A slight increase can remove thin black bars and help you center attention on your subject, while a small decrease can bring cropped edges back into view. As you adjust the scale, keep an eye on clarity and composition. Avoid pushing the scale too high, since excessive zooming can soften the image. Aim for a balance that fills the frame without sacrificing sharpness. Pause and play the preview to check motion shots, lower thirds, and any on-screen text. Make sure nothing essential is cut off at the top, bottom, or sides, and that faces remain comfortably inside the frame. That's the whole workflow. Click the ratio button below the player, choose the aspect ratio that suits your platform, and refine the fit with the scale control in the Video Basic panel. With just these quick adjustments, your video will look polished and platform ready.